Ever dreamt of creating AI images with the undeniable likeness of your favorite actors? Today, we're unlocking that power with Leonardo AI. First, navigate to Leonardo AI and ensure you have a project ready. Our goal is to replicate specific facial features. The key is using incredibly strong reference images. Upload a high-quality headshot of the actor you want to emulate. Think clear lighting, direct gaze, and minimal distractions. Once your reference image is uploaded, it's time to craft your prompt. Be descriptive, but don't overstuff it. Include the actor's name, but more importantly, focus on their defining facial characteristics. For example, instead of just a woman, try a woman with striking blue eyes, high cheekbones, and a subtle smile, reminiscent of actor's name. Now, let's dive into the magic of the settings for facial replication. We want to maximize realism under the AI Models section. Select a model known for faux de realism, like Leonardo Diffusion XL. Next, adjust your guidance scale. A higher scale, around 7 to 10, will make the AI stick closer to your prompt and reference. Crucially, explore the negative prompt section. This is where you tell the AI what not to do. Think about common AI generation flaws, mutated hands, blurry background, unnatural lighting, or even specific things you don't want in the face, like distorted features or unrealistic skin texture. Experimentation is your best friend here. Generate a few images and analyze the results. Are the eyes too far apart? Is the jawline different? You can then refine your prompt, adjust the guidance scale, or even add more specific detail to your negative prompt. For instance, if the nose is off, add small nose or aquiline nose to your positive prompt and large nose to your negative. Don't forget to play with the seed value. If you get an image that's almost perfect, keeping the seed the same and making minor prompt adjustments can help you inch closer to your desired outcome without losing the core likeness. By combining strong references, precise prompting, and careful parameter tuning, you can achieve astonishingly accurate facial replications in your AI art. Happy generating!